What is up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here, helping you build your confidence in the kitchen, one video at a time. Today, I'm proud to say we're doing our first ever dessert recipe on this channel. It's chocolate mousse. In my opinion, chocolate mousse is a great dessert recipe to start off with as a beginner because it teaches you great fundamental cooking techniques and it's simple to make. There's only 3 ingredients: thickened cream, eggs, and of course, chocolate. Make sure you get good quality chocolate. I've got a chocolate here that's 70% cocoa. Anyways, let's get into the cooking. First step is to crack 200 grams of good quality dark chocolate into a bowl. Break it up into small pieces will help the chocolate melt more evenly. Next, we're going to melt our chocolate. To melt our chocolate, we're using a technique called a bain-marie. Bring some water up to a rolling boil and pour it 1/3 of the way up the saucepan, and then place your bowl of chocolate over the top. What's going to happen is the steam from the boiling water will gradually heat up the bowl and melt the chocolate. Give the chocolate an occasional stir to help it melt. After about 4 to 5 minutes, you should get a silky glossy finish on the chocolate. Perfect, this is looking nice and smooth. Okay, once the chocolate is melted, we need to crack 3 egg whites into a bowl. To separate the whites, crack the egg against the side of the bowl and keep passing the yolk from one shell to the other. The egg whites should gradually drop into the bowl until you're left with just the yolk. Then, transfer the spare yolk into another bowl. Once you've got your egg whites separated, tilt the bowl and whisk until you get lovely soft peaks. These are looking great. Now, let's move on to our final ingredient, the thickened cream. Pour a cup of cream into a bowl and use the same technique to whisk the cream up into soft peaks. The reason why we whisk the egg whites and the cream is to incorporate as much air into the ingredients as we can. This is what's going to give the mousse a gorgeous fluffy texture at the end. Next step is to grab your bowl of melted chocolate and pour in the cream. Then, what you want to do is gradually fold the cream in using a spatula to incorporate it into the chocolate. We don't want to use a whisk here because we want to keep as much air in there as possible. And then, just do the same with your egg whites. Gently fold them in until they're nicely combined. This is looking superb. Now, just pour the mixture into some glass cups and chuck them in the fridge to set for about 4 hours. Luckily, I made one the night before so I can show you how to present it. Slice up some strawberries, grab your mousse and add a teaspoon of whipped cream on the top. Place the strawberries around the cream and finally, a grating of dark chocolate over the top. And that, my friends, is a chocolate mousse. Just remember the beginner techniques that we learned today. Number 1, how to melt chocolate over a bain-marie, folding in those egg whites and the cream to keep all that air into the chocolate mousse, creating that lovely, airy and light finish. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. Hit that like button, smash it, abuse it, do whatever you want to it. Also leave a comment down below letting us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. If you want to see the next episode, also subscribe down below, hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos. On this channel, we upload beginner-friendly recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. Hi guys, this is Gemma, my girlfriend. Yeah, she's more attractive than Jason. Yeah, get some strawberries. Get a bit of everything. Oh yeah. Oh.
I'm telling the viewers, definitely make this recipe. It's been Gemma approved.
Gemma approved.